Hi everyone, we're excited to introduce our first ever code-developed playbook for GSK and YouTube to nail the basics of content strategy on YouTube. This is a big priority for us to up-level capability on executing best-in-class online video campaigns. Finally, we have a single place where all of the best practices exist in an easy-to-digest format. So many people have attended a YouTube lab or workshop, but this portal puts the knowledge and creative examples all in one place.
Over the past year, we've worked closely alongside YouTube experts, from the category teams to LOCs to creative and media partners, to build this playbook, which will take you on 4 easy steps. The first is to define, second to plan, third to create, and fourth to measure.
When we talk about define, this is about taking our existing consumer experience journey and making sure we understand how those goals translate into video objectives. In other words, how do we get people to want it or use it with video?
Once we've aligned on these goals, it makes it easy for the planning stage. We've developed recommendations on formats that will deliver on these objectives. We've rooted these recommendations in data using brand lift surveys to test effectiveness on each of these goals on YouTube as it relates to your objectives.
And from there, we want teams to understand and apply the ABCDs of creative. The Google team has done an amazing job of analyzing our past creative to show what drives performance in terms of creative execution. For example, where do we put our logo, or how do we maximize the first 5 seconds?
Finally, we have to show this all works, which is why this past year we've made it mandatory to include consistent measurement through brand lift surveys. We've run 149 studies globally, which is up 61% from last year. This data will continue to help us understand how to optimize and reach our goals across ad recall, brand interest, and purchase intent.
Our goal is really to get every marketer using this playbook for every brief in 2019 for video. And we'll be checking in to see how you do.
For now, happy planning.